So what is the objective of this course? So the objective is solving a typical case study using interviews by banks, funds, or developers in the renewable energy industry. So this is very common in the usually the interview process in a renewable energy fund is you have a first interview about your experience, if what have you done, what have you studied, what are your motivations, and then a second stage is usually a case study when you need to build a model to give an investment recommendation about certain parameters that they give you. So we will try to do something similar. It's obviously a simplified version. It depends on the level that you are trying to get into. If you go to analyst or entry level, probably it's going to be even easier than the one that we have here. But if you go to an associate level, for example, it will be probably very similar to this one or even a little bit more difficult or complex. So what are the key learnings from the course? You will learn, hopefully, how to build a basic financial model to analyze the investment. And the second, let's say, learning is you will improve the use of Excel. So I will try to show you some shortcuts, some additional things from Excel that probably you don't know, or probably you already know. But let's see. And also, I think this is one of the most important things about the course is the modeling best practices. So we will go through this in a later slide. So this is in a nutshell what is going to be the course and what are the key learnings from here. Okay.